Where our deep gladness and the world's deep hunger meet, we hear a further call. Revolutionary heating technology that enables tastier, more energy efficient and convenient cooking, made of a pure, natural charcoal filament. Tastier and more natural, deep, even cooking. In terms of efficiency, charcoal lighting heater is a world-first heating grill that enhances water heat absorption, cooking more naturally and efficiently compared to conventional sheath like real charcoal grilling. Additionally, with one press of a button, charcoal lighting heater is ready to cook, saving time and energy up to 38%. Delicious and natural cooking without the smoke and burn. Natural healthy cooking with gourmet taste. How about the movement and flow of this revolutionary heating? Introducing world first active convection. Active convection heating system enables energy saving and even cooking. Even cooking is enabled by 4 heaters evenly placed, 2 on top and 2 at rear end in the microwave for wider, fuller, more complete and even cooking. Energy saving is enabled through world first active convection, in which the speed of the convection fan and heat of the grills are adjustable, enabling heat to penetrate food more deep and evenly for better cooked and deliciously tasting food. Easy to use, gourmet cooking with new Lightwave system. The new charcoal lighting heater comes with the exclusive Indian bread basket feature. Indian bread basket helps you prepare a range of Indian breads such as naan, paratha and many more. Charcoal lighting heater, active convection, Indian bread basket, only with the all-new, revolutionary generation of Lightwave convection ovens. LG, life's good.